Today, we have some exciting news for all you tech enthusiasts out there. The renowned leaker Ali Tech is back with fresh leaks on the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Zold 6. From live photos to benchmark scores, we've got a lot to cover, so sit tight and let's dive right in. Recently, Ali Tech posted new live photos of the Samsung Galaxy Zold 6. However, he was quick to note that this foldable dummy unit isn't 100% accurate. The crease isn't as prominent, the top speaker design seems off, and the device has slightly sharper squared edges. Also, the bezels on the inside screen don't seem quite right. He shared a more accurate photo showing the Zold 6 unfolded. From this image, we can see the device in its full glory. There's also a photo of the front of the Zold 6. According to Ali Tech, the device appears slightly wider, but this is mostly due to the camera angle and the squared edges. An AS user asked whether the leaked photos are of a dummy version or the real model. Ali Tech mentioned that the person who provided the photos claims it is the real deal. However, he doubts this since only a few select Samsung employees would have access to the actual model. So it's most likely a dummy. In other news, the Samsung Galaxy Zold 6, along with the Galaxy Z Flip 6, Watch 7, and Watch Ultra, have received NBTC certification. Let's break down what we know from this certification. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 has the model number SMF741B. The NBTC certification revealed its connectivity specs, which include GSM, WCDMA, LTE, and NR. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes with the model number SMF956bits/TS. Similarly, it supports GSM, WCDMA, LTE, and NR. For the Galaxy Watch 7, the model number is SML315F, and it supports WCDMA and LT. Lastly, the Galaxy Watch Ultra has the model number SML75F and also supports WCDMA and LT. My Smart Price found a Geekbench listing for an unlocked US version of the Galaxy Zold 6, and it's quite promising. According to the listing, the Zold 6 will feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, Android 14, and 12 GB of RAM. Now let's talk about those benchmark scores. The Samsung Galaxy Zold 6. So what does this all mean? The higher benchmark scores suggest that the Galaxy Zold 6 is better optimized as it nears its release date. The improvements in both single-core and multi-core performance are impressive and indicate that the Zold 6 could be one of the top-performing devices in its category. With its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, 12 GB of RAM, and advanced connectivity specs, the Zold 6 is shaping up to be a powerhouse. And let's not forget the design improvements. Even if the leaked photos aren't 100% accurate, the combination of enhanced performance and sleek design makes the Zold 6 a highly anticipated release. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Zold 6. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates, and hit that bell icon to stay notified of our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung GU25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung GU smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yun also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.